Depending on your course content, you may be planning to sell your e-learning course to larger corporate clientele. If that's the case, we've got some pointers for you. Absolutely sell your course as a SCORM file. Big companies don't want to waste time uploading dozens or hundreds of files and assets into their learning management systems individually. They want and will expect a polished SCORM file. Identify your corporate client's corporate needs and cater to those needs as much as possible. Also, don't forget to focus on return on investment. Sell your client both your product itself and the results that product can achieve for them. Every company is going to be different in their own right, but we have the tools you need to make any corporate client happy. From creating customized client packages to leveraging testimonials, we cover it all in the How to Create an Online Course Masterclass. Click the link below to get started.